Hey, it's Shay back again, and in this video I just want to show you one of the campaigns that I recently showed my students. It's currently doing up to $700 in a day, and I thought it would be just really cool to actually show you the results of this campaign. Because once again, I usually only do this for my students because it highly motivates them to keep going and creating their own successful make money online campaigns. But I just wanted to send out some general encouragement to anyone, in fact, that is looking to make money online or even make more money online. So it's just a quick video, and I just want to jump in right now to one of the networks that I've been recently using to show students some of the results of one of my best running campaigns, longest running campaigns as well. I believe I've had this one going for around the 2-year mark now, so it's a very stable income right here. So at the moment, let's just cruise through some of this right here. At the moment, it's just defaulted. I just loaded up the page, and it just defaults to the month, the current month, and up to today. So we'll leave that on today, but I'll just go back. We'll go back 30 days. So 31 in the next month. We'll just go back to the 20th of the 9th. Okay, so we're on the 20th of September to the 19th of October right now. And as you can see, we got 30 results. And this is really cool, the graph. And I'll also go through all the numbers as well, just to show you some more in depth. This is the revenue. Okay, some revenue there. This is the visitors. These are the clicks. And this is the revenue that I'm making per click. So each click on, this specific hovering day right here, I'm earning $9.76 just for one click. Okay, so per click. So it's really cool, and you may or may have not heard of getting paid for clicks, but this is something that I teach my students all the time, and it's a shame more people don't know about it. And hopefully I've just opened your eyes to it and your minds to it right now if you have never heard of it. But let me just scroll down here as well. I'm just gonna scroll down to the start date that I had in here. Alright, so back to the 20th of the 9th there. Alright, so just cruise through some of these numbers. Alright, so we've got 150, almost 300, another 300, 292 again. What do we got? We got 405, 464, 601. And let me just break this one down. So on the 6th, so I sent 145 visitors. These are known as searches. We don't really look at that column at all, so I'll just stick with these. So 145 visitors landed on the page. 101 of those clicked down, and I earned $5.96 per click. Okay, so 101 times $5.96, $601.88. So that's how this works. Okay, just making that super clear. Another $658, 463, 420, $500 days, $700 days, right there. So that one we sent 202, 106, and $6.68. So some really great numbers there. And as I said previously, this is a campaign that I've had running for close to 2 years now, I would say. And I help my students create their own make money online campaigns just like this. And if you want to do the same, you can, but I'm only going to work with you if you are serious. if you really want to know how to create successful online money making campaigns just like this one and other ones in other videos on my channel that you'll see, all you have to do is just take action right now. It's just a couple simple steps. So find the link in the description. At the top of the description of this video, I've placed a link right there. So click that. It'll just be a bit.ly link. It's just a really quick link to jump over to my site, and I will go there right now just to show you how to complete the next step. Okay, so here on my site, after clicking the link in the description, now all you have to do is just enter in your email address right here on the page. Enter in your best email address right here, then click the Get Instant Access button. That's going to get you instant access to my welcome email, which is going to contain all the starting information that you need. So look out for that email from me. Go check your own email address after you have clicked the Get Instant Access button. So go do it right now while I still have this open. Click the link, enter in your email address, then click the Access button. Check your inbox for an email from me so you can get started right now today. If you have any questions, just to reply to my email, my welcome email, just hit reply on that one. As soon as I get your reply with your question, I will get back to you. So go get started right now. Thanks for checking out my video here, and I will work with you really soon.